2 महीने हो गए थे वर्कआउट करते करते, देन आई साइंड रेस। तो एक एक्स्ट्रा पुश मिल गया कि बॉस अब तो बनानी पड़ेगी, अब बीच में यू कांट लैग बिहाइंड। रमेश तौरानी कॉल्ड मी एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि सुन साकिब, मेरे पास तेरे लिए कुछ है तो कल आ जा तू। So I'm like, ठीक है सर। I decided very early यार, I am not that guy who will give you a 5 crore, 6 crore, 7 crore opening on the first. I act because I love acting, not because ultimately I want to be famous, but I want to be famous for the kind of films I do. Hi, this is Saqib Salim and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Okay, we have this the hot and happening Saqib Salim. Generally ये terminology ladies के लिए use की जाती है, but सिर्फ इस वक्त ये शर्ट पहने हुए हैं, शर्ट उतार देंगे तो आप खुद agree करेंगे that he's definitely hot and happening. Is a race 3 look. Pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hungama, Saqib.
Always a pleasure with you, Faridun.
And you're right now live on Facebook on Bollywood Hungama. So what do you have to say to your fans? In fact, I was just told that your poster of Race 3 got like a great response on Facebook.
So मतलब I've been training really hard for it यार.
Right.
तो मतलब अच्छा लगता है जब आप ट्रेन करके जब एक पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाते हो जहाँ बॉडी ठीक ठाक लगने लग जाती है। बिकॉज आई सफर्ड अ बैक इंजरी यार। तो उसके बाद आई पुट ऑन सम वेट, तो मैंने कहा यार अब ये कम कैसे करें, तो फिर हमने वर्कआउट करना चालू किया। तो आई वाज इन दैट प्रोसेस। तो 2 महीने हो गए थे वर्कआउट करते करते, देन आई साइंड रेस। तो एक एक्स्ट्रा पुश मिल गया कि बॉस अब तो बनानी पड़ेगी, अब बीच में यू कांट लैग बिहाइंड। सो आई हैव टेकन अबाउट 4-5 months टू गेट इनटू शेप, बट इट्स द बेस्ट फीलिंग यार। जब आप फिट हो जाते हो, यू फील सो नाइस अबाउट योर सेल्फ। सो अभी मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ कि मैं आई एम इन ग्रेट शेप, आई एम शूटिंग अ गुड फिल्म एंड आई एम डूइंग दिस इंटरव्यू विद यू। तो बड़ी अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है फरीदुन साहब।
Okay, and now how did you get Race 3 in the first place? Tell us more about it.
I got a call and Ramesh Taurani called me and he told me कि सुन साकिब, मेरे पास तेरे लिए कुछ है तो कल आ जा तू। So I'm like, ठीक है सर, because he's one of those guys who's always believed in me. There was a point about 2.5 years back when I was supposed to do another film for him. It was a remake of a Spanish film, but that film never got made because of some rights, this, that, falana. But he's always been one of those guys who's always called, supported. Whenever the film's trailers come out, he's the first one to call कि अच्छा लग रहा है, बुरा लग रहा है, whatever. He's been a very honest guy with me. So when he called, I went the next day and I got to, and he didn't even tell me it was Race. But in my head, I was like, Tips is making Race at the moment. Maybe it's for that. So I went and heard the script. I really liked the script. And I thought I had a lot to do in the film. So I'm like, okay, let's do this. But let's get in proper shape. Let's look our best. Because this is the first time I'm doing action. So I was very excited also.
Right.
So there was some action training that started. All of that started. So it's been very exciting, these past 2 months since I have gotten board for this film. So it's been very, very exciting.
Okay, now you've been known more for your inner way, like thoughtful, thinking sort of performances.
ऐसा नहीं हूँ यार, मैं पहले सबको बता दूँ, मैं ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ, इतना डीप इंसान नहीं हूँ मैं।
परसेप्शन है,
ये परसेप्शन आप लोग ही बनाते हैं भाई, ये हम नहीं बनाते हैं।
अभी आपने जैसे बॉम्बे टॉकीज आपने करी है, उसके बाद जैसे आपने और भी जैसे हवा हवाई, मतलब इट वाज लाइक अ फन फ्रॉथी फिल्म, बट द एंटायर प्रीमाइस इन अ वे वाज समथिंग व्हिच वाज मोर डीपर. But now the fact is that when you're getting into like as far as Race 3 mode, the fact is that your most,
it's a very different mode. It's a very
recognizable performance so far is Dhoom 3, where you play like a special appearance. That
Dishum.
not Dhoom 3, Dishum. Dishum. That's the most recognizable performance as far as you are concerned, and like Masi and
it's the first film that I did in the Masi space.
Correct.
Because I'll be very honest here. You select from what you get. And I decided very early, I'm not that guy who will give you a 5 crore, 6 crore, 7 crore opening on the first day. I'm that guy who you give content and I can do a good job in the film and the film could turn out well. And my point was not to do the wrong film, to do content heavy films. That is why you see me in a Bombay Talkies or a Hawa Hawaii.
Right.
Or first time when Rohit called me for Dishum, I'm like, I've never done a film जो इस सुर्खी हो, जो थोड़ी कमर्शियल हो, जिसमें गाने बजाने ऐसे चल रहे हो. Even before when I did मेरे डैड की मारुति and मुझसे फ्रेंडशिप करोगे, there were sweet little college films and stuff like that. So to come on a level where we are making mass entertainers, Dishum was the first one where I got into.
Correct.
And I think people really liked me in that. And I had a great time shooting for it. So I'm like, अरे ये भी मजा आता है यार ये करने में. तुम मतलब intense, thoughtful acting कर लो, वो अच्छा है. That's a different side.
Right.
But this is also a lot of fun. And then Race happened. I'm like, okay, like people I think want to see me in this space. There are producers, directors, who are wanting to see me in this space. They think I fit in here. So why not explore it? And no better film than Race 3 to do that.
Absolutely, because suddenly there is a very different sort of attention that you start getting, because it's like a Salman Khan starrer, and obviously Race in itself, it's like a very well-known brand, but at the same time, the moment you have Salman Khan, obviously it just goes from 100 to maybe like say 300 crores. That sort of expectation just builds up. Are you just enjoying that attention that is in a way coming?
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'll be lying if I say no, I don't want the attention. Everybody wants it.
Right.
All of us, all actors love the attention. When people come up to you, want pictures with you, all that, you like it. Right. But one should not forget the process of being an actor, because that's what I enjoy. I act because I love acting, not because ultimately I want to be famous, but I want to be famous for the kind of films I do. So I think wo attention achhi hai. Like you said, that whole transformation that we did abhi for the film, that's gotten a lot of traction. So it feels nice. But at the same point, I want to just remember the fact that why I am in the movies. I am not here for short-term gains. I'm here because I want to finish this race and be part of the bigger race and do more films and want people to see me in different kind of roles. So the point is to just keep doing work. I don't come from here. It's not that somebody's offered me films on a platter. I worked my way through. I've gotten the kind of films that I'm getting on my own. So I just want to keep working, not focus on what the end product will be. Just concentrate on what the process is going to be like. And this process till now has been fantastic. I've met a bunch of wonderful people in this little 5-6 years that I've been in the industry.
Right.
So I just want to focus on that, यार. Ultimately जो होता है वो खुदा ने लिखा है तुम्हारे लिए, वो होगा, जैसे भी होगा. तुम उसको बदलने की कोशिश मत करो, जो कर रहे हो उसको ढंग से करो. That's what I believe in, yeah.
Okay, in fact, we've always believed in Saqib Salim.
अरे, Bollywood हंगामा rocks, guys.
मुझसे friendship करोगे, we had like a really rocking interview, and we had an interview post the release of Mere Dad Ki Maruti, because it was a film that was really appreciated by a lot of people, and it was a fun, frothy film, and since all his films since then as well. Now, when you go on like a Big Boss and Salman Khan introduces the star cast, and you're having like Bobby Deol and you are there, Jacqueline Fernandez, what is the experience like?
बहुत बढ़िया लगता है यार. मतलब भाई मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ कि यार मैं एक दिल्ली का मिडिल क्लास लड़का हूँ, और जब मैं बॉम्बे आया था, अगर मैं 2 ऐड करके भी वापस चला जाता ना, मैं बड़ा खुश होता. कॉलोनी में सब मेरे साथ फोटो खिंचवाते हैं. बट टू हैव लिव्ड दिस जर्नी, टू हैव बीन from where I started to where I have come, it feels great that I have reached here. So I'm discovering these things here, and I'm like, let's live in the moment, enjoy it. It of course felt nice to be on stage with everybody. Bobby is a very dear friend of mine. Salman bhai, Jacqueline, Daisy, Ramesh ji, they're all people who, like Salman bhai, I've grown up watching. So to be sharing a stage with him is a huge thing for me. So I'm just enjoying this process. I'm like, let's not think too much कि तू क्या करेगा, तू क्या बोलेगा, तू क्या नहीं करेगा. Just go out there and have fun. And I think I'm just doing that, and it's a lot of fun. Yeah, doing such a big film, it's a different experience for me. I've always done films where they've been on curtailed budgets, they've been tight films, they've been content heavy films. कि इसको इतने में ही बनाना है. But I'm first time working on a film that is a franchise film. It's one of the biggest franchises in the country. Right. So एक वो थोड़ी feel अलग है भाई. I can't explain it, but वो feel अच्छी है यार. अच्छा है, ठीक है, अभी lunch कर रहे हैं. अच्छा ठीक है, lunch हो रहा है अभी. But that feeling is great, yeah. And I think as an actor you should always experience different things, and it helps you in becoming a better person. So this whole process has been very, very exciting.
Okay, and what sort of conversation do you have with Salman Khan generally?
But with Salman bhai, he's a guy who can talk about everything यार. मतलब इससे पहले फिल्म से पहले मेरी उनसे बहुत limited interaction थी. कहीं दुआ सलाम, कहीं you meet somewhere, you go meet him, all of that. But now since the film has started, I started spending a little more time with him. So, and he's a guy, you ask him about anything, and I ask too many questions. So I want to know his stories. भाई ने कैसे किया, कब पहली film ये वो, and he loves telling his stories also. So whether it is about fitness, whether it is about films, whether it is about eating habits, I speak to him about everything, and he's one guy यार. उनके साथ ना एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि वो सबको साथ लेके चलना चाहते हैं. In the sense कि जैसे shoot खत्म हुई, he's like, come Saqib, we'll do dinner. Come. And he'll make sure that everybody, all the actors, the director, everybody sits together and eats. And I think if a senior actor, a superstar does that, so that creates a great environment on set. That just creates the fact that everybody is together doing this. So I think he's very good at doing that. He makes you feel very secure as an actor. In a scene, he'll have a lot of inputs. कि अच्छा इस सीन में ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So sometimes when you're doing something, something he says in your ear right before a take helps. कि अरे यार. And he's a very very giving person that way. So I'm these last 2 weeks have been very exciting that I've shot with him. And we shot a lot of action and I'm doing action for the first time. So बड़ा मजा आया यार action. थोड़ी चोट वोट भी लगा ली मैंने अपने आप को.
Right.
But इतना चलता है.
So how much is complete? How much is the film complete?
So we've shot the first schedule is over. They're still I think they're still shooting something with Bhai. But I have shot for 14 days. 14 days.
Okay. Saqib Salim, since you requested that we should be having like a frivolous conversation.
Yes, please.
So as I was coming today for this interview, I realized I was just thinking about one thing. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll still take a chance. From what I understand, I think you are the only actor, Saqib Salim, and you should hear what I'm trying to say.
Okay, I'm very okay.
Yeah, you're the only actor, I think, who's had this opportunity to maybe kiss a man and a woman on screen.
Yeah, man.
So this is something.
It feels great.
It feels great. What a frivolous question, actually.
But I don't know why people make such a big deal about it, yaar.
No, we were supposed to have a frivolous conversation. Yeah. So, I mean, let's not get intellectual in that.
No, not at all. I just feel like I'm an actor.
You tell us experience of
experience.
मतलब
Randeep Hooda मेरी life की तीसरी picture थी. And there was Karan Johar directing me. There was Rani Mukherjee, Randeep Hooda, Anil Mehta was shooting the film. So when the script came to me for the first time, यार मैं दिल्ली का हूँ तो मैं ऐसी कोई चीज बोलता ना तो मैं हिल जाता हूँ. मैंने कहा नहीं भाई ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होगा.
पिक्चर आपकी बेहतरीन थी, आपका काम बेहतरीन था. I'm just asking about the entire experience. We're sticking to the question of kissing a man and a woman on screen.
So I'm telling you, I'm getting there.
You're
intellectualizing
it because it's a brilliant film. Your performance was outstanding.
Thank you.
I think it was. I've told you before. I think that was one of your best performances.
Thank you.
See, that is something that we know.
But when it happened, we only did one take.
Achha.
And it was a long shot. It was
kiss with Randeep Hooda.
Yeah. Okay. So there was only one take. The shot was he knocks on the door. I open it and I realize it's him and I say go from here. And then he comes in. Then he holds me. There's a kiss. And then he realizes that what has he done? He slaps me and I throw him out. And it was a very handheld shot. All of that. So one take happened and Karan's like, okay, got it. So me and Randeep have looked at each other. I'm like, Karan, are you sure? So he's like, you want to see? Man, no. I will see it on the screen. I will see it on the screen. If you are happy, I am happy.
No, but it's very realistically done. It is very realistically done.
It didn't feel like anything. And once the scene happened, I'm like, why was I building it up so much in my head? It was just like any other scene. Matlab, it didn't feel wrong for me to do that. Because the character wanted it and the other character wanted it as per the story. And because you build these things so much in your head, na ki arey shit yaar, I have to kiss a guy on screen, I have to kiss a guy on screen and this, that. So one day there was a little, me and Randeep were also a little uncomfortable that day. We're not talking to each other. And usually we meet, I'm like, hey bro, what's up? He's like, no, can't bro each other today. Today we can't bro each other, it's wrong. And the scene happened and you're like, okay, that was it. It's done. So yeah, it didn't feel like anything at all. It was just like any other scene.
Absolutely. Now, Saqib Salim, you're the only person that I can ask this question. Sure. Now, considering that you've spoken about
Randeep's also one actor who's kissed a guy and a girl.
We will do that. We will meet him and we'll discuss that with him as well. Now, considering that you've discussed and spoken about Randeep's part, the kiss with Randeep Hooda in detail. So what is the difference like between like when you're kissing like an actress or maybe kissing
I have
like
to tell
like
you
an actor?
that kissing on screen is one of the most uncomfortable things an actor can do.
Right.
Because it is not about enjoying the kiss. It is about tilt your head slightly right, take the light while kiss, and so you're kissing the person. So you're like, and you're turning right to catch the light. Nahi. Shakal chup gayi. Acha, come this side. So it's like somebody's telling you to do these things while you're in it. So you actually don't enjoy what you're doing.
Right.
And it is sometimes it gets very mechanical. So I won't say that kissing is very enjoyable on screen with 50 people watching you and telling you to move right and left, all of that. So I don't think when you're kissing, you're actually enjoying the kiss.
So my question, we're not even getting into the emotions part of it. That is entirely something that we're not getting into. We're saying how different is it maybe to kiss a man from a woman?
Not very different.
Not very different.
Not very. To be really honest, उसके भी lips होते हैं, लड़की के भी lips होते हैं, and you ultimately are kissing the lips,
right.
and your eyes are shut.
Right.
So you can imagine a girl, guy, whatever. So it's just the same thing.
What a fantastic conversation we are having.
Sometimes, but yeah, अगर लड़के ने shave ना करी हो तो बाल वाल छुप सकते हैं. But besides that,
obviously you're not doing it too often. So
no, of course not, sir. Okay. Of course not. Are you?
I'm not. I'm just.
अरे पानी पिलाओ भाई को.
You're trying to just see that I'm blushing. Now, if you can just talk about the fact that the entire journey that you've had so far, how happy have you been?
No, I'm very happy.
How much of a struggle has it been? And
you know, my struggle started after my first film.
Because, for example, you know, as you said, that Race, you know that it will release on a certain date, and that date will be celebrated, and the entire anticipation will be there. But for example, like Makhana still hasn't released. I think the film is complete. We spoke about it maybe last year.
We have a song left which we should now release. It's a film that's very close to my heart. It's मेरी solo picture है और अच्छी picture बनी है. But I think with films like these, you have to have that 1 week, 2 week window to release it.
Absolutely.
So that if it grows on word of mouth, so it has some time to play on. Otherwise आजकल तो यार फिल्म का पूरा जो रिजल्ट है वो पहले 3 दिन में आ जाता है. फ्राइडे को रिलीज हुई, संडे तक पता चल जाता है फिल्म का क्या होने वाला है, नहीं होने वाला है. And if it's good, then it doesn't even get time to grow. So I think it's a film that will grow on word of mouth. It's a film that's very close to me.
Right.
So inshallah it should release early next year. Yeah. That's been the intention. But besides that, if there's somebody who can answer it, you should call Vashu Bhagnani and ask him.
No, Vashu ji will show you. And we've spoken to Taapsee about it in the past as well.
No, me and Taapsee I think became very good friends while shooting for the film, and she's a lovely, lovely girl. And it's been one of those films that I've really enjoyed myself while working. So you really want to see when that film is going to come out, because you've enjoyed yourself so much while making it. So you want to see what the output is like. But for that, you should ask the producers when they want to come out.
Okay, now you know, since you have just forced us on a gun point,
I have
that we should indulge in frivolous conversations. We'll stick to that.
Okay.
Saqib Salim, how do you deal with link-up rumors? Like, you know, they were link-up rumors with Taapsee Pannu.
I enjoy them.
Yeah,
because me and Taapsee know the truth. Yeah, we laugh it out, and
you're just good friends.
I love her. I'll say this on camera. I love Taapsee Pannu, and she is one of my closest friends in the industry.
You know, friends जो है stardust.
But है यार, अल्लाह खुदा की कसम यार, दोस्ती है और कुछ नहीं है.
मोहब्बत के लिए दोस्ती तो बहुत जरूरी है.
मतलब मैं अपने हर दोस्त से
मोहब्बत दोस्ती है. सलमान खान
आपको
फ्रेंड्स.
प्यार दोस्ती है. दोस्ती is friendship. What a wonderful, delightful thought.
जी, आप थोड़ा digress करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा बताइए ना.
But I enjoy them. I enjoy them because especially with Taapsee, when it came out, we were shooting in London.
जी.
So we read the article, and so one journalist from Filmfare, who's a dear friend of mine, so he tagged that and says, what's cooking? And that time me and Taapsee were having breakfast, and we said scrambled egg with brown bread. Because there's nothing beyond that. Yeah. We love each other's company. I think she's a very good actor, and she's a lovely, lovely girl, and she's just a buddy, यार. मतलब उसके साथ we have this group. That film, no, we were about 5-6 actors in that film. So we made this group called Londa Gang.
Londa Gang.
We are Londas in that gang. Whether it's a girl or a guy, everybody is a Londa in that gang.
Right.
So in Taapsee, me, everybody is part of it. So when I read this, we enjoy it, we laugh it out. I'm like, चल ठीक है, let it play for a while. अगर लोगों को खुशी मिल रही है तो लेने दे.
Absolutely. So it is confirmed they are just good friends.
Yes.
And he loves her.
Good friends.
Now, Saqib Salim.
Ji.
I was going through your Twitter timeline, and you've retweeted the tweet of Aditi Rao Hedri that she posted about the entire Padmavati fiasco.
Ji.
And even apart from that, there was something that you had written as well, that how can just judge a film without even watching it. As a creative person, do you feel a bit threatened that anyone can just get up?
I'm scared.
Right.
If somebody is going to say that whoever beheads Deepika Padukone will give him 10 crores, that's scary for an artist, because I feel like if somebody is saying like that, the police, the government should make sure that that person is behind bars. That's an open threat on national television, and for an artist that is very scary. We are artists, we are doing all of this because we want to bring out the best to the audiences, but in that process, you can't be saying all these things. And you can't judge a film without seeing it. So I think the concerned authorities, whoever the film needs to be shown to, I'm not sure, besides the CBFC, should see the film, and that film should release, because I am a huge fan of Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and I myself want to really watch the film. So I think, like I said before this interview also, हम ना एक ऐसी स्पेस में आ चुके हैं जहां पर डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन इज कंसिडर्ड एज दैट पर्सन's wrong. If me and you don't agree on something, that is our point of views, and there's a right way to deal with it. तलवारें निकाल के न्यूज रूम पे खड़ा होने is not the solution to it.
Right.
So I just feel like ये बात बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा दी हम लोगों ने, और ये जो लोग हैं जो इतने विवाद कर रहे हैं, हमने उनको बहुत ज्यादा फुटेज दे दी है यार. वो इतना डिजर्व नहीं करते. It's borderline terrorism. They are threatening to kill people and we're not doing anything. So I think as an industry we should all stand up and support Padmavati because it's a film that should release. I really want to see what Ranveer, Deepika, Shahid have done in the film. Because I'm a huge fan of Sanjay Leela Bhansali and his canvas. So I want to really watch the film. But यार ये जो हो रहा है उसमें it's very depressing as an artist if I was in their place, if I was an actor in that film, I would be very depressed यार. Somebody who. And it's a film that I've shot for. Those guys have shot for over a year and a half, 2 years. And it's a tough film. It's not an easy film. So, and for somebody who's not even seen a film, एक तलवार निकाल के कह रहा है कि मैं सर काट दूंगा यार. How fair is that?
And no one is arresting him.
We consider ourselves to be the largest democracy in the world, and we are how we handling this is just not right. Yeah.
Right. Do you feel that actors they're like a bit of an easy bait, and as I think Aditi, I met her recently in Dubai as well after that, but on camera she was a bit scared now because of the entire situation. She said that now I'm having a surname like Haidari and now you can troll me the way you want. So the fact is that Aamir Khan and Shah Rukh Khan, they are a certain point of view, but the fact is that they have become so silent after whatever happened with them.
No, because यार मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा ना क्या तुम कहोगे और उसका क्या बन जाएगा यार. मतलब people have become very aggressive. People need to calm down and हर फिल्म से पहले ये लिखा होता है यार, दिस वर्क इज a work of fiction. Any resemblance to any person living or dead is purely coincidental. It's a work of fiction. It's a feature film. Respect. And if you don't like it, and if you don't agree with what the film is saying, you have the right not to watch it.
Right.
It's the same thing. But you can't tell me if I can watch it or not watch it. You don't have that right. You don't watch it. You make sure your whole community doesn't watch it.
Right.
But don't tell me if I can watch it or not watch it. That's my problem. Nothing else.
Okay, and Shabana Azmi ji, she had a certain point of view, and she said that maybe people should be boycotting IFFI. Most of the film guys, they did not. But the fact is that the way filmmakers you have done in the past in terms of social messages, you have supported certain charities and all those things as well. So when that is required, film guys, they are the number one preferred because they are easy to just get attraction and like say mileage as well. But when it comes to almost anything, be it taxation, be it security, that is something that film guys, they are told that a spokesperson says that they have low IQ. Farhan Akhtar, I think, responded to that wonderfully well. If someone like Kamal Hassan says something, death threat is issued to him as well. Do you find that a bit heartbreaking that maybe you guys don't get the sort of respect that you deserve? And in terms of IQ, you know, I know a lot of
there was this minister who said something, no? What was the statement he made?
GVL Narasimha Rao. He said that the IQ of most of the film guys, it is very less.
Lovely. If he thinks like that, great. Yeah. We are out here to make films and entertain people. We are not liable to answer anybody's general knowledge question firstly. And if we will have an opinion, we will talk about it. And you might like it or you don't like it, but that doesn't make us wrong or right. It's our opinion and we are entitled to that. So if you think we have low IQ, great. We don't think you have leadership qualities or capabilities, but we're not even getting there because there's no point in getting into a dialogue with somebody who's already made up his mind.
Right.
So it's better you sit back, you have your opinion to yourself, and be sure of what you believe in. That's how I see it.
Okay, all right. So, Saqib Salim, after this intense conversation, let's go back. Let's go back to the frivolous. Seriously, it's far more liberating. Yeah. Honestly, it's far more like.
But I'm sure you've been talking about all these things with everybody, and
no, you know, I tend to do that. But the fact is that say we are from media, it doesn't affect us beyond a point. It does in a way, but the fact is that the people from within the film industry, they need to have like a more point of view, because the fact is that the more they are being cowed down, the more they are just being pushed in the back burner. Like
but during IFFI, was this brought up? Padmavati ever? No, I don't know.
In the main function it was not, but during the red carpet we spoke to Nana Patekar, we spoke to Prasoon as well. So those things were, but obviously most of the times people said that don't ask. So that was generally.
I don't blame those people because the climate is such. Because you know how it is. If you say something, you troll. Things are said about you. So I think to protect themselves, one is doing it. But you're right. One should. The forces in the industry should unite and come together with a stronger stance.
Right. No, but there are people in South India who are making the presence felt. Be it Prakash Raj, be it Kamal Hassan.
No, I remember watching that Prakash Raj interview also where he was really angry and he said, "Take back my national awards" or something. He said.
He did. He did, but the fact is that he did not take anything that he said back, and he keeps on tweeting about the fact that how this is not right.
Yeah.
So the fact is that maybe in South India they're having a bit more.
No comments.
Okay, rapid fire with Saqib Salim. So let's have some fun over there. Yeah. So Saqib Salim.
Rakib Salim.
Yeah,
come on, Rakib.
Rocking Saqib Salim. So a recent film that you saw that you loved.
La La Land.
Okay.
La La Land, I think I saw and I loved. I've seen that film at least 8-9 times.
Okay, all right.
Beautiful.
Okay. Strangest thing that you have done while preparing for a role?
Locked myself in a room for 2 days.
For which one?
For Dobara, which was no point because nobody saw the film. एक बार भी देखी नहीं गई लोगों से वो पिक्चर. But मैं like you said मैं थोड़ा intense हो जाता हूँ तो मैंने सोचा कि यार this guy was in a juvenile cell for so many years. Let me lock myself in a room for 2 days. Didn't help. But then I realized it's strange. I'm an actor. I need to act.
No, but you know, you never know that कौन सी चीज कहाँ पर काम आए.
But भाई नहीं आई ना काम. समझ आ गया. पिक्चर रिलीज हो गई और वो काम नहीं आई.
अच्छा.
तो इसलिए हमने कहा कि अच्छा ये ज़्यादा हमने करने की कोशिश की इसका फायदा नहीं.
ठीक है. Okay, Bollywood actress you would like to take out on a date other than Taapsee Pannu. You can include
Alia. I think she's very talented. I would want some of her talent.
So on a date
मैं बड़ा मतलबी आदमी हूँ.
On a date you try to just.
और क्या सर मतलब अपना काम निकलना चाहिए ना. अपना काम निकल. She's very talented यार. Have you seen Udta Punjab? I'm sure you have.
You promised me like a frivolous conversation, and you're saying about.
बट मतलब ही हूँ ना भाई मैं थोड़ा मुझे चाहिए उनका टैलेंट. मैं बड़ा जेलस हो जाता हूँ जब लोगों के पास.
थोड़ा आप साइड में करिए आलिया भट्ट के साथ में.
But and she's lovely looking, she's beautiful, she talks so well. So of course it's a complete package यार. With talent, beauty, brains, everything.
डियर जिंदगी में अली जफर ने उनके साथ में यही किया था. उनके साथ में जाके गाने सुनाते रहे उनको तो वो पक के चली गई थी फिर.
करेक्ट. गाने नहीं सुनाएंगे हम. अगर हमने गाना सुना दिया तो वैसे ही भाग जाएंगे.
अच्छा. So मतलब you'll just go out on a beach or something like that.
Talk, conversation. बातें करने में हम ठीक है.
Conversation. Okay. Who's your fashion icon?
David Beckham. I think he's one of the most stylish guys in the world. He dresses up really well.
Okay. First thing you notice about people when you meet them for the first time?
Eyes. I hate shifty eyes. If I'm talking to somebody, I want that person to look at me and not like
here and there.
There are too many people like that in the industry.
Okay.
So that just shows कि यार कि ये बंदा मुझसे बात करना चाहते हैं, ये देखना चाहते हैं इस पार्टी पे और कौन-कौन है.
अच्छा like that.
So it's very important for me if you can make eye contact.
So you want to have the eyes for yourself.
Yes.
एक मूवी जो आप दोबारा देखना चाहेंगे?
मैं दोबारा नहीं देखना चाहूँगा. But I think one film I would want to watch again is what did I see? I really enjoyed Shubhankar Savdhan yaar. So and I love comedy films and so I would just watch it again just for a good laugh.
Okay. It's 4 a.m. on a Saturday night. Why are you awake, Saqib Salim?
Because I'm watching something on Netflix. Because that's what I do. If I'm up so late, that's what I do.
Alone?
Alone sir, अपनी जिंदगी में कोई नहीं है. हम मैं और मेरी तन्हाई और मेरा एक प्यारा सा मेरा डॉग है एक स्ट्रीक. वो हम बस टाइम बिताते रहते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. वो भी आजकल मुझसे परेशान हो गए कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा जागते हो. वो भी चला जाता है आजकल.
अच्छा ऐसा है. What would you do, Saqib Salim, if you wake up as following people?
Okay, Shah Rukh Khan. Count all my money. कि है कितना पता होना चाहिए ना यार. कहाँ है कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ है पता होना चाहिए.
ये सब मत कहो यार. हम मसले में पड़ सकते हैं. Okay, Salman Khan. What would you do if you wake up as Salman Khan?
I just don't need to do anything if I'm Salman Khan. I just wake up. I don't need to do anything at all.
Okay, what would you do if you wake up as Taapsee Pannu?
Call Saqib Salim and tell him he's the best co-actor she's ever worked with.
What would you do if you wake up as Amir Khan?
Give the next script that I'm doing to Saqib Salim. कि तू कर ले.
अच्छा ऐसा क्या?
तू कर ले, कोई बात नहीं, तू कर ले. Because his script sense is so good यार. मतलब I saw Secret Superstar also very recently and I loved the film.
Right.
I'm like यार he is the only guy. मतलब आप देखो ना यार अगर उनकी फिल्मोग्राफी आप देखो. So the kind of films he's done, from Dil Chahta Hai to Rang De Basanti to Dangal to all Three Idiots, all these films, as an actor that makes me jealous. क्या filmography है यार, मतलब मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरी फिल्मोग्राफी ऐसी हो, अगले साल आप मतलब कभी आगे 10-15 साल बाद कोई और नया एक्टर यहाँ बैठा हो और ये बोले कि साकिब की फिल्मोग्राफी बहुत अच्छी है. आई एम रियली एनवियस ऑफ हिज फिल्मोग्राफी. व्हाट फिल्म्स ही चूजेस, व्हाट स्क्रिप्ट्स ही चूजेस, इट्स जस्ट फैंटास्टिक.
Okay, what would you do if you wake up as Deepika Padukone?
साइन अ फिल्म विद साकिब से.
Sign up.
आईडी बराबर
एकदम बढ़िया, पाटला भी नहीं लगेगा उनको.
हाँ, okay, that's interesting. What would you do if you wake up as Vashu Bhagnani?
Make sure that Makhna releases first thing next year.
Okay. All right, where do you see yourself in 10 years?
Still making movies and still acting in them, still being a part of this world and just enjoying myself. I just don't want to lose out on the enjoyment factor, because that's what will keep the actor alive in me. I never want to get into the economics of anything. I want to enjoy the process, so I just see myself making movies, being part of them. And yes, I want to direct a film one day, not because I think I'll be a fantastic director, but because of the fact कि यार मैं चेक करना चाहूँगा जो मैंने 10-15 साल काम किया, मैंने कुछ सीखा है उसमें या नहीं सीखा है, just for that.
Okay. No, so, I think that should be interesting because you have that
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
cerebral streak.
बात कर सही में
100%. मैंने हमेशा बोला आपको साकिब साहब, ये आप इस चीज को आप इंटरव्यूज आप उठा के देख सकते हैं
जी.
The most interesting thing about weekends according to you?
That weekends as Sunday, and Sunday is my cheat meal day. And I can eat whatever I want to. If 6 other days I have to eat salads and broccoli and this and that, but the 7th day I can go crazy. So that's the best thing.
I would like to have something right now.
I'm having black coffee, sir, without sugar, without milk.
We can get you something.
But today is not weekend, no sir.
This is live on Facebook.
This is not a weekend.
I just realized it's 2:15. Maybe if you would like to have something.
Sir, मैंने खाली अपनी वो गोभी और ब्रोकली खा के आया हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, you are good. All right, now Saqib Salim, I have a request.
जी.
Next question थोड़ा सा आपने प्लीज इंटरेस्टिंग सा मतलब.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई जवाब बना दूँ आपको.
प्लीज थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा.
Because आपने थोड़ा बहुत दिया है हम लोग को मसाला, थोड़ा सा और हेडलाइंस दीजिए. आप तो मैं आपसे खुले में ओपनली कर रहा हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. What would you do on an ideal date?
What would I do?
Conversation
नहीं सर, बातें थोड़ी करते हैं.
Please.
But so it depends. If it's with somebody I'm really wanting to go on a date with for a very long time and it's finally happened, I'll make sure that यार I'm not a believer of doing कि सबसे बड़ा जो सबसे महंगा रेस्टोरेंट है उसमें टेबल बुक करके. I would try and do something which is very intimate. So मैं थोड़ा आशिक मिजाज का. So I'll tell you what I did with a girl who I was really wanting to date in college. So when I asked her out, what I did. So जब आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं तो एक आपका घर होता है जहाँ से आप कॉलेज आते हैं, एक आपके दोस्त का फ्लैट होता है. हाँ, जो आपका मेन अड्डा होता है जहाँ पर सारी पार्टियां आप करते हैं.
I hope that we are getting into. Okay.
So जो मेरे दोस्त का फ्लैट था, बट वो एक लॉन्डे का फ्लैट था. वहाँ पर चूहे भी हैं और ये भी हैं और वो भी हैं. तो भाई ने पोछा मारा उस घर का. पहले मैंने पूरा चमकाया कि आज मैं इस लड़की को प्रपोज करूंगा. और मैं हूँ थोड़ा सा ना फिल्मी, तो मैंने in the last 6 months wherever we've gone out, all the bills, all the tickets, this that मैंने बना के रखे, क्योंकि मैंने ये प्लान किया था कि मैं इसको 6 महीने बाद आस्क आउट करूंगा. पहले 6 महीने तक इतना इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाऊंगा इसकी लाइफ में कि ये फिर मुझे मना नहीं कर पाएगी. ये एक प्लान होता है, हर लड़का एक प्लान बनाता है और ये मेरा प्लान था. So and I wrote a poem and all for her. बहुत बुरी पोएम थी. अब मैं कभी निकालता हूँ वो तो मैं हंसता हूँ कि ये मैंने लिखी है.
Okay.
And I got champagne, I got 2 glasses. And वो क्या हुआ, तो हम ना एक रात पहले वो सब कर रहे थे. और तब आप सब बजट में करते हो सब कुछ, आपको गिन चुन के पैसे मिलते हैं.
जी बिल्कुल.
तो मेरे एक दोस्त ने एक शैंपेन ग्लास तोड़ दिया. तो अब मैंने कहा भैया एक तो नहीं है. तो फिर हमने एक दोस्त को भेजा, हमारा कॉलेज था दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी नॉर्थ कैंपस में. मैंने एक दोस्त को अपने भेजा करोल बाग, अपने घर से एक शैंपेन ग्लास लेके आया. वो हमने एक माहौल बनाया, पूरा एकदम डेकोरेट करा हमने पूरा घर ये वो. और हमने एक्टिंग ऐसे की कि बाहर हमने ताला लगा दिया और मैं अंदर हूँ. और मेरा एक दोस्त गया उसको लेने की, साकिब ने कहा आप इधर आ जाओ और फिर वो आपको इधर ही मिले. देन आई हैड सो शी हैड दिस, सो वी यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट सॉन्ग्स, मूवीज. सो उसकी एक लिस्ट थी सॉन्ग्स की. सो एक साइड पे जो उसको गाने पसंद है वो थे, अगली साइड पे वही सेम गाने मैंने अपनी बेकार सी आवाज में गा के, दोनों थे उसके पास ऑप्शन. जो नॉर्मल कॉम्पोजिशन है वो और एक साकिब की कॉम्पोजिशन है वो. तो वो हमने उनके लिए प्ले की, उनको फिर प्रपोज किया घुटने उठने पे बैठ के, बाहें फैला के आई लव यू बोला. ये वही लड़की है जिनके लिए हम बॉम्बे भी आए थे, बट फिर वो लड़की निकल गई भाई यार. तो अपन आशिक मिजाज आदमी है, अपन पूरे दिल से प्यार, शिद्दत से प्यार करते हैं, एकदम जीने मरने वाला प्यार करते हैं.
हाँ, but this is interesting story actually. This is interesting
So
story.
अपन we'll go all out. We'll go if I really like somebody, I will go all out to the best of my abilities to make her believe that I am madly in love with her. For me, love is the best emotion in the world. So I will not stop myself from doing anything at all.
Interesting. This is interesting.
Conversation हो गई तो हो गई, और बाकी जो होना होता है वो भी हो जाता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. But ये सब एक माहौल बनाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, माहौल डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा बनाया आपने. व्हाट इज द लास्ट थिंग दैट यू डू बिफोर यू गो टू बेड?
आई गो टू द लू यार. मुझे है प्रॉब्लम, मैं रात को नींद में उठ के भी लू जाना पड़ता है मुझे, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू गो टू द लू बिफोर आई गो टू स्लीप.
The most exciting co-star you have ever worked with?
Most exciting, I think Taapsee. I've had a lot of fun with her. She's lovely. Huma would kill me for this, but the fact is Taapsee is far more fun.
Okay. 3 things you always carry with you when you are on a vacation.
My credit card, my hairspray, because it won't come across, but I'm very particular about my hair. होता है ना भाई, जिनके बाल अच्छे नहीं होते वो सारा ध्यान बालों में लगाते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
मतलब if I have to get ready on a shoot, मुझे मेकअप कपड़े पहनने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं, बाल बनाने में 20 मिनट लगते हैं.
Okay.
So my hairspray and my mobile phone.
Okay. Your first kiss was at the age of?
नहीं यार, ये सब नहीं बता सकते.
अरे बताओ ना.
बहुत जल्दी हो गई थी भाई. अच्छा आप गेस करो ना, आप गेस करो. चलो
13?
मेरी हाँ
13?
अरे माशाल्लाह, क्या गेस है आपकी. Well done.
13 was right?
हाँ, I was in standard 8. Yes, 13 years.
That's pretty.
मतलब बहुत इंक्विजिटिव बच्चा था मैं.
जनरली 16-17 होता है. This is good यार.
भाई अपन निकल गए थोड़ा पहले, मतलब and it wasn't a kiss that I initiated.
अच्छा, someone.
So there was this girl. I was madly. She was my first girlfriend ever.
Okay.
I can't take her name now. She's married.
Younger to you or elder to you?
No, my age, my class. So I came from a boys' school to this new school.
Right.
So जिस लड़की को मैंने पहले देखा, मुझे उससे प्यार हो गया. क्योंकि हमारे बॉयज स्कूल में बहुत किल्लत होती है लड़कियों की.
बिल्कुल सही.
मतलब कोई आंटी आ जाती है, सारी लड़कियां उसके पीछे भागने लगती है. ये तो मेरे हम उम्र मेरे पीछे थी. मैं इसका शार्पनर से अपनी पेंसिल शार्पन करते करते मुझे इनसे मोहब्बत हो गई. तो अब हमने बातें आते पहली बार आस्क आउट किया, करना आता नहीं था. हमने इनसे बोला कि अच्छा आई लव यू, इफ यू लव मी तो कैंटीन में ब्रेक में आके मुझे हाँ कह देना. ये हमारा प्रपोजल था उसे. तो वो नहीं आई, उसने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. तो हमने बहुत मेहनत की, 5-6 महीने उसके पीछे लग के. तो एक दिन हम तो अब ना यू रीच अ स्टेज वेयर शी हैजंट सेड शी लव मी, बट वो एक प्रॉक्सिमिटी आपकी इतनी बन गई है, आप साथ घूमते हो तो सबको एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई है कि इन दोनों का कुछ है, बातचीत चल रही है. सो आई वाज ड्रॉपिंग हर होम वन डे and so when her house came, so while getting down she kissed me on my cheek and she got off, and I have never been more happier than that in my life. I have gone back home holding my cheek like this. अरे ये मेरे साथ क्या हो गया?
Right.
So I was amazed, and of course that was the first kiss, and then फिर तो आप.
So मतलब you're talking about the cheek.
पहली मर्तबा तो यहाँ बट भाई जो उस किस में इनोसेंस थी ना, मतलब माइंड ब्लोइंग. इतनी खुशी लाइफ में कभी नहीं.
100%.
कि मतलब मैंने कहा नहीं, आज मुंह नहीं धोऊंगा, आज ये हाथ नहीं उठाऊंगा यहाँ से, आज कोई कुछ भी बोल दे मैं स्माइल करता रहूंगा. So फिर उसके बाद you progress from the cheek to the forehead
we can
the other cheek and henceforward.
Yeah. Okay. So Saqib, Salim, it was wonderful talking to you.
As always, Farid.
Both frivolous as well as serious and intense. I think we've covered almost
all the. Have I given you enough masala? You're complaining about masala.
Absolutely. I have a feeling.
और कोई मसाला है, कुछ बोलना है आपको तो मैं और भी दे देता हूँ.
आप बताना चाहें, अपने जो भी राज खोलना चाहें, फेसबुक आपके सामने लाइव हैं आप.
तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा, आप हमारे इंटरव्यू देखिए फरीदुन शरियार के साथ. हम हमेशा बात करते हैं और बहुत मजेदार बातें करते हैं. सो होपफुली वी हैव गिवन यू इनफ डोप फॉर दिस टाइम अराउंड एज वेल. सो व्हेनेवर दिस इज आउट, प्लीज टैग अस एंड टेल अस व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट आवर इंटरव्यू. तो प्यार मोहब्बत सर, और मसाला आपको दे दिया है. अब आप और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. अच्छा अब ये और कुछ बोल.
नहीं देखिए क्या है ना, इतना कुछ आजकल हो रहा है. मेरा मानना ये है, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन होना चाहिए. जो आपको कहना आप कह सकते हैं.
मैं तो खुल के बोल दिया सर.
13 साल से 29 साल तक आपने काफी चीज अपनी लाइफ की आपने बता दी हैं आज.
वो तो मेरी हाइलाइट्स है लाइफ की.
और भी अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, हम आपको मना नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं, आई थिंक मेरी मैनेजर और मेरी पब्लिसिस्ट मेरी तरफ देख रहे हैं कि आपने ज्यादा बोल दिया है.
मैं सोचा था कि उनको एक्चुअली हम लोग कहीं रेस्टोरेंट में उनको बैठाना चाहिए था.
मतलब अभी आप जानते नहीं हो, एक ये कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है, फिर एक गाड़ी में बैठ के.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ
क्यों बोलने की जरूरत थी, तो मैं क्यों घुसना है उसके अंदर. तो अपन को थोड़ा सेफ भी खेलना,
अपन को सेफ खेलना पड़ता है. बिल्कुल, वी टोटली अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
माय प्लेजर मैन. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
ऑल द बेस्ट विशेस. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
दैट्स ऑल वी हैव फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड हंगामा. कीप ऑन वाचिंग.
Hi, this is Saqib Salim and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.